Hey, what's up? This is Anders Larsson, and today we are going to be talking about a couple of key points that I got from training, specifically choosing your target audience and when to choose a broad ad copy or making your ad copy targeted. And then we're going to talk a little bit about why we are really doing this. So that's what we are covering inside this video. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so in my previous video I talked about mistakes that people do when they don't have any training and when they are pretty new with writing ad copies. And this can of course be applied more in general. So the mistakes was about getting too emotional, and the risk is that it may sound that you are whining, so it should be avoided. The other was using 1 to 2 sentences and then one empty line to make it more readable. And the third was avoid using you or your and instead change it to I or me. And now in this video I want to share some takeaways about targeting. And if you are struggling with finding the right audience when you choose your target audience in your campaign in Facebook, if that is the case, then first listen to what happened to me when I tried Facebook ads. The first time I tried Facebook ads, I didn't have any guidance. So I wrote kind of a story. I tried to wing it with the audience selection, not too much, not too little, somewhere in between. I added audience closely related to the online marketing niche. Okay, so here comes the shocking moment. I paid about $100 and guess what? I got 1 click. And that was a very expensive click. And this was when I decided to, you know what? I'm not ready for Facebook ads. I didn't have any knowledge how to choose my target audience. I did a lot of research on YouTube how to really go about it, but what I learned on YouTube didn't even come close to how easy it is to understand it in the training in Legendary Marketer. I decided, however, that Facebook ads was just too complicated, and solo ads on Udemy became the traffic strategy that I wanted to master, and I'm going to stick to it. However, in the training that I'm going through in Legendary Marketer, I learned so much about Facebook ads that I feel confident that if I try it again, I will do much better if I follow the guidance. So in this video I will share some big takeaways that I got from the training in the second video of the Marketers Club live training. So right now it's about 50 videos, but there are many more trainings that I'm going to dive into later on. But the training that I'm talking about, it's about 48 hours of gold nuggets and diamonds. And if you don't at least take a look at it, you are really missing something. So I highly recommend you to get access to it. But anyway, I will talk about something when you write your ad. The fact of the matter is that you can write your ad to be very targeted or very broad. So in the webinar, someone sent his ad copy, and Matt Halsell, the guy hosting the webinar, took a look at it, his Facebook ad campaign. The guy wrote his ad copy very broad, and he was targeting a very broad audience, like online marketing, affiliate marketing, etc. So then we will need to figure out who will read that ad copy. The story title was like, what was that? And his car broke down. What is happening? Why me? How much will that cost? I can't afford it. And Matt shared that this is a broad story ad. So for a broad story ad, you need to find specific influencers that you think would respond to your story ad, because chances are that their audience will also respond to that type of ad because they are aligned with that influencer. So we are really searching for influencers. For example, there is one influencer called Amy Porterfield and another Eric Warren. So basically broad ad, very targeted audience. But on the other side, you can use a super targeted ad. And if the ad is super targeted, then you can use a broader audience like affiliate marketing, online marketing, internet marketing. I should include that the whole purpose with using an ad copy is for someone to click a link, the call to action, get redirected to a landing page, and then have someone signing up to a newsletter. This is when we capture a new lead. So basically the purpose with Facebook ads is to get leads. So in my next video, I will share a couple of big takeaways about how to do great marketing in an ad copy. So this is what I wanted to share in this video. If you are new with online marketing and have not plugged into a system yet, then I definitely recommend, no matter what you do or who you sign up under, you have to dive into the training and learn how the system works. But the training is crucial if you want to succeed. I mean, that is just the best thing that I can tell you. And as soon as you start going through training, you have to create content, because you need your content out there selling for you, and build your skills as you go. So I hope you found some value in this, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button, and that will also help my YouTube channel, making my content more visible on YouTube. If you want to see more videos like this, then hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification to get notified when I release more videos. Click the link in the description if you want to get started with the system that I'm using to make money online. You will also have access to my free online marketing video training if you decide to take a look at my website. So thank you for spending a little bit of your time watching my video, and take care and see you in my next video. Bye bye.